Hey folks, how you doing? It's Richard here with another video through Vlogmas 2023. Doing a vlog every day all the way through December up until Christmas, but it's just coming up to 10 o'clock in the morning. So I'm currently heading towards Southwell and I'm parking near the Southwell Trail, and then I'm going to be doing 100k around, well 120s Grand Fondo around I guess Nottinghamshire and Leicestershire. So yeah, I shall see you on the bike in just a second. On my way, I'm here in Nottinghamshire. We named it due to the number of potholes there are on the roads. In the car, I've got to use the Waze app, and every road's like pothole coming up. Is it still there? You're like, yeah. You may have noticed I've got no glasses on today, and well, I've mentioned it before, being bloody sunglasses. I'm always breaking them. This time I stood on the bloody arm, it snapped right off. This is why I was climbing into the back of the van. God's sake, I only bought those in June, I think. Bought them in France, and yeah, great. Another pair of glasses, destined for the bin. And now I'm dropping gloves. Yeah, so it's probably about 20 past 11 now. I've gone out up the big hill out to Southwell. Just turned off at the Garden. Just heading around the back road to Hoffringham, Loudham, sort of. There's another place in between, is it Caythorpe, I think, and then hop over the main road there via the cycle path. Get myself into East Bridgeford, and not soon after that into Leicestershire. I might be dipping my wheel, I guess, into Lincolnshire at some point. I'm not entirely sure. This was all very, very last minute in order to get out after oversleeping Sunday morning. Just didn't want to move. No alarm, just laid there. The feature of today's ride is the strength of the wind. If anything, it's windier than yesterday. It's always one thing in the UK, isn't it? Brilliant sunshine, but bloody windy. So making my way from the bridge at Loudham along the cycleway to East Bridgeford next. Oh, the wind was horrendous. And there's a bend at Hoffringham. We turned right. So we're running alongside the River Trent. Now I know what I know. I shouldn't do that again when the wind is along a strong southwesterly. Just hit you like a brick wall, shall I say. Yeah, so I'm just glad to be on the other side briefly before I'm going to be turning back south again as I head towards Beaver. And then I decided what I'd do for a change, because I've not done it before. I'm going to ride down Terrace Hill, which is a top, I think it's a top 200 climb. Maybe it's not 100 climb. Yeah, it is almighty windy. Woo. Right. Yeah, so this is definitely the business end of the ride. And I guess it's how it should always be. It should always be significantly harder going out, you know, when it's windy and stuff. And then you just have a bit of a tailwind on the way back. So, yeah, today's just another one of those rides where, is it 30-mile-per-hour winds today, gusting? Yeah, well, at least I'm out, getting something in the bag as I head up the hill, East Bridgeford. Bit of a tailwind pushing me up. Oh dear. So I'm turning right here. There's going to be more headwind heading towards Shelford, I think, up the hill there. Oh dear. So I've arrived at Waltham on the Wold, and there's the I don't know if you can see it too well. It's the radio mast there. This is the road that's going to take me towards Wymenham or Wymondham, and I wonder if that's the water I can see over there at Rutland. It could possibly be, or it's more likely to be roofs of a building, I don't know, but yeah, it could possibly be. We've got Rutland water all the way over there. I can just make it out. Zemo certainly can't. So I'm just stopped, just stopped here. Just to stuff a bar in my mouth. Nature's calling. Just pause from the wind for a second. It's quite windy. It's quite windy still, especially up here. But once I get down this way, I'm not actually going into Wymenham. I'm turning left as like a fork, which will take me to Buckminster, which is kind of over there, and then I start going north again, hopefully with a tailwind. 75k to go now. I guess from Buckminster I kind of head in the general direction of Grantham, pretty much, and then I go up the climb from Woolthorpe to Belvoir Castle, and then I'll continue I don't go down the main hill opposite Belvoir Castle. Go around a little bit further. Going to be turning right at the bottom there, and then should be some nice tailwind down Terrace Hill, and happy days after that. It's the first ride in a while that I would have gone over 1,000 metres of climbing, so I looked at the screen not long ago, and I'm just about halfway there as well. So yeah, any wind now, any hills now will be accompanied by wind. I don't know if you can tell how windy it is. We just look at the clouds for a moment. Yeah, it's one of those autumn days. The autumn has come to an end. What is it? 17th today, and then the winter solstice begins, that shortest day, which means great because it means the day's getting a bit longer from then on in. Anyway, I'm going to keep moving now. Yeah. It'd be nice to get home before dark, but it's not achievable, and I've been obsessed with trying to get home before dark just recently, and not doing anything much to help myself, like get up early or anything like that. I do it every year. I'm always on a mission to get home before the dark. Don't know why. Kind of holds me back, and I shouldn't, because I've got plenty of lights, and I'm perfectly capable of riding in the dark. So, but I always make the excuse this time of year. Don't like riding in the dark. And I suppose it's a fair point when the weather's a bit meh. Today is okay, it's wind, but the roads are clear, it's mild, there's no ice about, it's just muddy here there, but the roads are clear. So anyway, that's the jibber jabber over with, let's go. Just going past the wall at Buckminster. Be interested to see what's behind there. I think something to do with military or something. Lots of people have an interest in history to park up there and have a look around. I think big stately homes or something along those lines. A lot of people leaving about now. Must mean it's getting on. Or more likely they want to get home for Sunday roast. So yeah, stonking great tailwind now, happy days. Some nice speed going, nice low watts, perfect RPM for me, mid 80s, something like that. Cruising. Last bit uphill. Going past the other side of Belvoir now, looking across the gardens with the newly planted trees by the looks of it. It's beautiful. Well, from here, a little bit of uphill to Terrace Hill, and then it's pretty much flat back to the car then. Although I have noticed another hill, and I've worked it out. It is the Garten. It's on the way into Southwell. That's the last notable hill. Nothing compared to, well, they're all nothing really. Well, that one compared to what I've been riding today, be over the blink of an eye. It's actually probably harder coming up from Southwell past Nottingham Trent University on your left than the way I'm going. Of course, that's the way I came anyway, so get to ride in both directions. I'll tell you what isn't so easy. The way back, I thought it'd be mostly tailwind, but it's not turning out to be that way. So I'm actually hoping now that the wind drops, because got lots of westerly to go, and it's kind of a southwesterly. So yeah, maybe it'll ease when I come off the hills. Doubt it. Here's what it is. Really needed glasses on for that. I've got glasses, just a nice cheap pair one. I'm going to just start wearing cheap pairs again now, I think. Somebody Fox ones, I think they are, from Sports Direct or something like that. I'll just buy more of those in the future. Well, that's it folks, I'm back at the Final Whistle, which is the name of the pub, just over there where I've parked the van. It's a pretty good location actually, you can just park on the one on the road, but there's actually a little dedicated car park on the left. I don't know if you have to pay, I don't think so, but it marks the start of the Southwell Trail, or as they call it around here, Southwell. Anyway, it's been a really good ride. Hope you enjoyed watching this one. If you've got any comments, questions, stick them down below, give it the thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed already, now might be the time to hit that button, and I hope you stick with me for 2024. Some more big adventures around the corner. I'm not sure what they all are yet. The one coming up at the end of March is a 700-kilometre exploration of the Canary Islands. That's coming up. Guananchi. Yeah, we're looking forward to that one. I think I'm pronouncing it right. Maybe, probably not. Guananchi. Let's just call it that. I'll see you in the next one pretty soon. Yeah, take care. Bye bye.